hold it right there. You might be doing 5 of these things that'll prevent you from achieving a beautiful, magnificent polish on your specimens. We've all been there, in a hurry to get those agates to look as beautiful as we can, as fast as we can. This will help you achieve the best results while polishing. A lot of these common mistakes are easy to correct, and they'll help save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. Let's go over those 5 common mistakes I see a lot of new and old lapidarists doing. Letting that rock stand still for too long. Oh boy, this one's a big no-no. Not even for doing a flat slab polish. You want to make sure you keep that rock moving around, especially for a cab. You'll want to rock that rock all around. Rock it as much as you can. It's also a great exercise too. Really pump those wrists up to the next level. It'll make anyone in the gym envious. The more you move it around, say on a flat slab, the less likely you are to start building up streaks or get deep scratches that'll form on your rocks. This will require more work and time to eliminate. And when making a cab, you don't want any flat points on those surfaces, right? So rocking those rocks around are going to make those little agates happy little agates for sure. Using hard water. My good old hard water. This one's often overlooked, especially if you live in an area that's prone to hard water. Huh? What is hard water exactly? It usually refers to a surplus of calcium that's in your water. While this calcium is harmless to drink, it can act as an abrasive material when you're running through the steps while polishing. And anything that creates an abrasion in your rocks while polishing is definitely a bad thing. So how can we combat this? Well, the best way I find is to go about getting some good old purified water, or even better, some distilled water. Using purified water or distilled water is a great idea to use as your primary source of water. It's also a great idea to use this water when you're cleaning your pads. Calcium starts to collect in those fiber pads, and unfortunately it'll start to ruin that shine. So the best way to resolve this, of course, is to use that purified or distilled water. Now, you may not live in an area where there is a lot of hard water, and you don't have to worry too much about that, but it's always still a good idea to use some kind of purified water, just to make sure you're not contaminating your pads or the rocks that you're working on. Contaminating the pads. It's easy to get carried away with the process of working through those pads, but it's super important to clean off those specimens before moving on to the next step. It's so easy to transfer that grit and gunk from your prior step to the next step. And bringing those contaminants over to the next step is only going to make things really troublesome for you in the long run. Bringing those contaminants onto your pad will not only make life miserable for you when you're trying to get rid of those scratches, but it's also going to wind up ruining those pads at the same time. And that's something I learned pretty quickly when I first started doing rocks. I would always get these scratches in them that I just could not remove. And then I started to realize I brought over some of the contaminants from other pads that were starting to abrade on these rocks, and it just got messy super fast. I wound up having to get new pads to replace the old ones that I had ruined, and it was just, it was a mess from there on out, guys. So definitely try and remember to clean those rocks off. It takes only a few seconds, and it saves you so much time in the long run. Not using enough water. This is another common mistake I see quite a lot. Not using enough water. And in some cases, using a little bit too much water. So make sure you got enough water flowing out of that reservoir. Not so much that you're requiring your specimen here to need a snorkel, but enough to prevent you from getting a lot of dust kicking up and generating a lot of heat. Having a proper water supply flowing from the reservoir is really important. You don't want to be creating a lot of dust, and you definitely don't want to be breathing in that dust. The best way to eliminate any type of dust is to have a good water supply. The water is going to prevent any kind of dust from entering into the air that you're possibly going to breathe in. It's really important because you don't want to be breathing in any of that rock dust that you're shaving off and abrading from these rocks. So make sure you have an adequate supply of water flowing from the reservoir to make sure everything stays nice and wet. Having a good water supply is also very important for keeping those diamonds cool. As you're abrading the surfaces on these specimens, you're going to be generating a lot of heat, and that heat needs to be cooled down. So that's another reason it's super important to have a good water supply flowing from your reservoir. It's going to help out greatly here. And that goes with a bonus tip on this one. Always keep an eye on your reservoir to make sure there's plenty of water still in it. As you're working on those rocks, the water starts to lower, and sometimes you could run out mid-work, and you don't want that to happen. Running that machine too fast. Oh man, this is another easy crack to slip into when polishing. Running that machine way too fast. As fun as it is, there's real no benefit to running at a top speed. Most of the time, on those low grits, you can get by using a very low RPM. You're actually going to benefit more at running it at a lower RPM than you would running your machine really fast. So you don't want to get too crazy. In fact, running it at a lower RPM is more likely to abrade off those rocks a lot quicker than it would be at a higher RPM. One of the main reasons for this is it's going to keep your diamonds really cool. If you've got that good water supply flowing over, that's going to keep them cool as well. But a lower RPM is going to also really help contribute to keeping those diamonds nice and cool. And when everything's in good cutting condition, they're going to be cutting a lot quicker than say you got something going super fast that's not going to be able to braid quite as efficiently. Very rarely will I ever go above anything like a speed setting of 4. Anything higher just doesn't seem to be as efficient in all the experience that I've done with this type of stuff. So I like to stay around anywhere from 2, 3 is probably the best, and 4 at the most. 4 usually more for polishing. So slow and steady wins the race on this one, that's for certain. Now what if you just like to max out the throttle on these things? Well, there are a few situations where that can actually come in handy. Say you're working on an agate here, and everything's polishing up well, and everything's going smoothly, but you notice you've got a little bit of gritty area that just won't go away. Sometimes, the more you braid, the deeper the pit becomes. I've run into that on a couple of occasions, and this is where running that high RPM actually can be a benefit to you. Unfortunately, you're not really using that machine for what it was made for when you start to do that, but it's definitely a workaround for those troublesome rocks. Basically what it does, that high RPM generates so much heat, it's going to actually turn that grit, which is usually a sand, into a type of glass. It starts to literally melt it. So that's how you wind up getting that nice shine on those troublesome areas that just refuse to polish up. Other than that though, you probably won't ever want to use a high RPM on these machines to get the job done. And if you're generating a lot of heat while you're working on your rocks, and that's not what you're aiming for, you might want to review that number 4 again. Make sure you got plenty of water and your RPM isn't too crazy. So there you have it, guys. A quick and easy rundown that'll be sure to help you guys improve the quality and finish of your beautiful specimens. I'd like to give a very special shout out to 3 of my favorite rock hounding channels. Will Bond, Cajun Rockhound. This guy does an amazing job at polishing rocks and is quite inspirational. And my favorite videos that he does, Stud or Dud. You've got to see him. So be sure to check out his channel. And next up, there's City Rockhounding. I just love your channel, guys. You take some amazing pictures, you always go on some neat adventures in that sandbox, and you find some of the most incredible fossils. Oh man, those fossils. Those are always some cool finds you guys find. So for some amazing pictures, some wonderful scenery that's actually green, unlike out here in the desert, be sure to check out City Rockhounding. And then there's Up North Adventures with CCC. She's always hunting for rocks around the Great Lakes. What a beautiful area that is. and she definitely finds some really amazing winners. Oh man, you definitely got to check her channel out as well. Those 3 channels have been quite a big inspiration. I just enjoy watching your videos, guys. Keep up the awesome work. I'm going to put a link in the description below, and I'll link you to all 3 of their channels. Be sure to check them out, my friends. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know what you think of these 5. Happy polishing, my friends.